Welcome pre-cal students to class today on this Monday the 9th. I hope you guys are doing well today. Hope you're ready to get to work this week. We have a lot to do, so let's jump right into this. Here's the schedule for the week. On Monday, we're going to take a quiz today. Hopefully you remember to study, okay? Quiz today, we're going to take notes. Tomorrow, we're going to work on homework. On Wednesday and Friday, we're going to work on the review sheet. Notice also on Friday, we're going to take a quiz, okay? Thursday's a field trip, so you will not have any class on Thursday, okay? All right, moving on. There will be a test next Tuesday, okay? Now, on Monday of next week, and actually, I don't think there's school next Monday. I'm going to have to bump this test to Wednesday because I never like to give a test on the first day back from school after a weekend. So, next Monday, there's no school. So, next Tuesday, we're going to start new material, but that new material will not be on your test. And we'll have a test next Wednesday, all right? At this time, please turn your homework in from over the weekend if you choose to, all right? There are no incompletes at this time. Now remember, if you're in the room, no matter how many days you've been absent, if you're in the room on the day of a test or quiz, you will take the test or quiz unless you contacted me before that day. So please keep that in mind, okay? Now today, we are going to take a quiz and take notes. The video today is about graphing systems of inequalities. Okay? Now, actually, you will be solving these systems, but the method that you have to use to solve them is graphing. So you can call this graphing or solving inequality systems. Now, you had these types of problems in both of your previous algebra classes, Algebra 1 and Algebra 2. The only difference now is that the problems will be a little more difficult, all right? There's the teaching video, graphing inequalities, or you could also call it solving inequalities, excuse me, about 35 minutes long today. Okay, let's go over today's quiz. So if you don't have a copy of the quiz, please get one, and then restart the video. All right, here we go. So guys, on the quiz today, it's going to be out of the book. Obviously, the first one there, you're simply finding the exponential model. The next one, you are using the compounded continuously formula. And by the way, if you don't have the compounded continuously formula or the compounded n times formula memorized, if you don't have either one of those two memorized, you are welcome to write them on a sheet of paper and have them as a cheat sheet for your quiz. On your test, I will not allow that, okay? All right, moving on to the next problem. Looks like it's dealing with compounded n times. And the next problem is a word problem. So solve that. And the last problem is solving a system. Okay? So guys, if you have any questions, I am an email away. So just contact me, okay? That's all for class photos. Guys, we're having class tomorrow no matter what. So if you get pulled out of pre-cal class tomorrow for class photos, then when you go home tomorrow night, you finish everything you're supposed to finish, okay? So we're not going to let class photos mess up class tomorrow. I'm not being mean about this, but we're already missing class on Thursday due to a field trip, okay? We're not going to miss class twice this week. So if you work for the yearbook and you're going to be out of class tomorrow, then you're still responsible for all the material. If you get pulled out of class for a photo, you still are responsible for all the material tomorrow, okay? That's all for today. Please get to work on your quiz and notes. Have a great day today. Contact me if you have any questions at all.